Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Grow with Arnam, and this is Arnam Islani. And today we are going to do for loops. A for loop is a repetition control structure that allows us to efficiently write a loop that needs to execute a specific number of times. The syntax is given in the picture, given in the right bottom corner. For, then in brackets, initialization, semicolon, condition, semicolon, increment, and the statement that needs to be executed is written, and then we exit the for loop. The flowchart is given: input, then we write the init statement, then the condition is checked. If the condition is true, the code block is executed. If the condition is false, then we exit the loop, and when the condition is true, we increment the variable or the expression. The init step is executed first and only once. This step is allows us to declare and initialize any loop control variable. Next, the condition is evaluated. If it is true, the body of loop is executed, and if it is false, the body of loop does not execute and jumps to next statement just after the loop for loop. The increment statement allows us to update any loop control variables. The condition is now evaluated again. If it is true, loop executes and process repeats itself. After condition becomes false, the for loop terminates. This is an example of printing 1 to 10 numbers using for loop. First we write the for loop. Inside the brackets, we first initialize with integer I equals 1. And then we put a semicolon and put the condition till which number should the I should be increased. In this example, it is I is less than equals to 10. So the loop will increment till the I becomes 10. Then we put a semicolon and put the increment I plus plus. And inside the code block, we write print f value of I and write the print the value of I and then return the code. In this code, first the initialization is done, then the condition is checked. If I is smaller than equals to 10, then the line inside the for loop is executed, and then after the execution of the code, the increment is done, and then again the condition is checked. If it is not true, then we exit the code. In this right hand side, the answer of the example code is given. As you can see, the value of I is increasing from 1 to 10. Thank you for your attention, and the notes will be available in the drive link given in the description box. Thank you.